So we knew going in that the bottoms-up system was going to be a larger investment than the traditional systems that we were also looking at. And bottoms-up came in at the upper echelon of it, but once we did all the numbers, we could kind of see that it all made sense to go with bottoms-up. Jake Burgess with Foxgardin Kitchen and Ale, Fortville, Indiana. I'm the chef owner. The way that the bottoms-up system works, it allows you to multitask. This allows you not only time management and multitasking and things along those lines, but it gives your servers and your bartenders the ability to go out and spend more time with your guests, serving more and selling more and getting that extra beer on the table. But it allows your servers to not be wasted time at the tap station, and they're doing it face to face. It's not with their backs to them. Yeah, we've been super satisfied with the bottoms-up system. It makes sense on a lot of different levels. The bartenders enjoy it, the servers enjoy it, the guests enjoy it. To anybody looking into bottoms-up system, you know, it's highly recommended, especially if you're like me or like a business owner that does crunch those numbers and likes to see a return on their investment.